Hello my dear friends, welcome to the DIY Skin Recipes channel. This Vaseline you see here is the same one I made a few days ago. I uploaded a video about it for you guys. I just poured it into a store-bought container so I can show it to you better. Making natural Vaseline with high-quality ingredients that you choose yourself is super easy. Don't think it's something hard or complicated. So if you care about your health and your wallet, try to spend an hour and make it yourself. I'll leave the link to the tutorial at the end of this video. For now, please just focus on this video. Do you want to have a smooth white hand? Just a few simple steps and 15 minutes a day. You won't spend a lot of money going to a spa or salon. Easy recipe, anyone can do it at home. Let's discover the secret of hand rejuvenation with Beauty Secrets Fukin. The most important ingredient in today's recipe is Vaseline. Vaseline is probably no stranger to everyone, but not everyone knows how to use Vaseline properly and effectively. Vaseline has a moisturizing effect, softens skin texture, helps relieve itching and dryness. In addition, Vaseline also supports the restoration of the skin barrier, preventing the penetration of irritating factors. Helps moisturize and soften the skin, vastly lengthens eyelashes, makes hair soft and strong. You take a sufficient amount, about 2 tablespoons of Vaseline in a cosmetic cup then. Thank you for watching my video and supporting me. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to Vaseline well until the mixture is completely dissolved. In addition to being a familiar baking ingredient, baking soda also has many uses in beauty that not everyone knows. With extremely benign bleaching and antiseptic properties, baking soda is also a safe, effective and extremely low-cost beauty ingredient that women should not ignore. Baking soda helps to bleach yellow and whiten nails, exfoliate, help brighten skin, soften skin, remove blackheads, so many effects. The special thing is that baking soda, when combined with Vaseline, will maximize its moisturizing and soothing effects on the skin, making it smooth and bright. Besides, the dark spots are also significantly improved when she regularly uses a mixture of baking soda and Vaseline. Add under 2 teaspoons of fresh milk without sugar. Fresh milk without sugar contains many nutrients that are beneficial to health and skin, helping the skin to deeply moisturize, overcome peeling and dry skin when it is cold. Perfect combination. Apply the mixture evenly on the whole hand. Massage for about 2 to 3 minutes for the mixture to penetrate evenly on the skin. This way helps the mixture penetrate deeper and increase the effect of the mixture. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. On my channel, you'll find the best tips for taking care of yourself, your skin, and your hair. Then use gloves to put on the hand. This is called a hand mask. Leave the mixture for about 20 to 25 minutes for all the nutrients to be absorbed into the skin of your hands. You can combine it with a gentle massage or leave it as is. By now you can already feel your hands are amazingly soft. You keep about 20 minutes, your skin will be soft. You will want to caress them all day. After 20 minutes you take off your gloves. Wash it with warm water. You can't believe it. Your hands will no longer be rough. Instead, your hands are smooth, velvety soft, bright white like the sun. You won't want to leave and you'll want to wash your hands all day. The formula is easy to follow. You use 2 to 3 times a week. You give it a try and you won't be disappointed. It works the first time. If you have a better recipe to share, please leave a comment below so we can learn. Thank you everyone. Good luck to everyone. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to watch the Vaseline making video at the end. Bye.